Hello friends, my name is Gary Combs, the director of the Mini Bible College here at International Cooperating Ministries. It is our pleasure to be able to present to you this video training series for MBC. What we've done is we've organized what you know to be our day of training into several different modules which you can use at your own timing and in your own sequence to be able to share with your pastors and lay leaders how to use the curriculum, what it consists of, and how to use the audio players that are so often used by you in the field in your small group ministries. So we are just delighted to bring you this new video curriculum, and we hope that you'll find it on the partner website as quickly as we've pasted it there, and you use it so that your ministries will grow. So let's begin with just sharing with you the modules that we have put together. The first one we've titled, Who is ICM? And that's because so many of you are new to the ministry, new partners, and many of your older partners have new pastors who don't know. So we want to share who we are together working with you in the field. After that, we'll talk about some more about the Mini Bible College particularly and give you an orientation into what MBC consists of. When we do that, we'll talk about the various components, we'll talk about the means of delivery, and we will talk about the actual use in the field by many of you. The next module that we've put together comes from all of you. It is what we call the MBC Instruction Manual. Instruction may be a little strong. What it really is a series of suggestions and best ideas, best practices that again have come from you over the last 20 plus years that we have been doing this together in the field. So this gives many of you newer to the ministry an idea how to form your small groups if you're not doing so already. So that in itself will be a blessing to many of you. The next thing we will do then is to talk about the reports that we ask from you when you're doing this in the field in small group ministries. When we provide the audio players to you, that means we also ask you to report to us twice a year, just as you do your church growth and your church building reports from various congregations. Once we get through that, then there's another whole module to talk about the audio players that are unique to the ones that you are using. For example, many of you use the Mega Voice, so there is an instruction for the use of the Mega Voice audio player. But there are two other brands, DeVar and VGM, and depending on which one you have in the field, there is a separate instruction for each of those devices. And finally, we'll talk about the technology piece where everything we've just said is available to you as a free download from our website. It is on the smartphone apps for free. It is being radio broadcast. It is being web-based broadcast, and we'll share all of that with you. And who knows what the next technology piece will be. We can't wait to see because it seems to change and grow each year. Then what we'll do is give you an idea how to break up into small groups to practice the use of the audio players and to practice what it means to be a part of a small group. And that way, that hands-on feeling, that hands-on experience gives you a better feel for how to do it when you go home in your ministry. And then the last piece is for you all to get together and talk about, that is, critique how you feel it goes and how you feel it has gone in your practice sessions. I think the value of this for the leaders of you in your ministries is to also try to get a combination of those who have used this in the field and those who are new to the program, so that there is this cross-pollination of best ideas and best practices and testimonies from those of you who have used it. Because friends, we know, we have done this study back in 2008 to actually study those who have used this curriculum in building new churches and those who have not. And you know what? Those who used the Mini Bible College teachings grew twice as fast as those who did not use it. So that in itself speaks volumes to us about the value and the importance of what we're doing today to share with you how you can train others. And we're so blessed to be a part of your ministry. Thank you for this, and we welcome you now to the first module, who is ICM. Thank you, and here we go.